guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this glamorous look in no time. So on that note, let's begin. I already applied moisturizer on my face and I've let it sink inside my skin for a while and my face is now dry. Now it's time to apply my foundation. So I'm taking my favorite foundation. It's from Maybelline and it's shade O2. It's for my skin color. Now I'll take some of it and to blend this I'll use my beauty blender. I'll just apply it in dots. Now I've quite blended well my foundation. Now it's time to apply my concealer. That I'll be taking this concealer from LA and I'll just squeeze it a little so that it comes out and I'll apply it triangular like this. A little on top of my nose. Now I'll use my beauty blender with thin edge to blend it all. My under eyes do not look darker anymore. And it is so easy to blend my concealer with my beauty blender using this thin edge. So now you can see the difference, my eyes look brighter. Now it's time for a little bit of blush. I'm going to apply red lip shade. So what I'm going to do is I'll just put this a little bit on my cheeks and I'll use it as my blush. So a very little of it. And now I'll use my fingers, or you can use beauty blender to blend it, but I'm using my fingers. Now it's time to use beauty blender. Use this banana powder from Makeup Revolution brand to set my makeup. I love this banana powder. And I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. This is from pack 302 brush number. So I'll just take a little bit of product and I'll just dab it so as the extra product will get off my brush, because you don't want any extra product on your face. Now you can see it's just a little bit of it, and I'll just rub on my face very gently to set it. for applying powder under my eyes, I'll use this brush. This is a fluffy brush. This is from pack 311, and I'll use the same powder, and then I'll just set the powder right there where I applied my concealer under my eyes. So now my makeup is set. It's time to apply my lip shade. So I'm gonna go with red lip shade because as it is a glam look and a party look is complete if you apply a dark lip shade. And if it's red, then you can never go wrong with it. You can leave in the comments below which is your perfect red lip shade for your skin shade. I'll be happy to know that. So now I'll be lining my lips with this red lip pencil. This is from Faces brand, and I cannot see the shade number as of now, but I'll leave it in the description box below. I know I'm looking funny, but that's the beauty of makeup. While you're doing it, you will look funny, and once you have done it, you will look glamorous. I always apply my lip liner all over my lips, just as to give an extra layer of it before I apply my lip shade. Here, my lip pencil work is done and it's time for applying my lip shade, and I'm applying this shade from Sephora, and it is shade number 01, always red, and it's damn beautiful, and it must go for your party look or glamorous look or any look where you want to use your red lip shade. That's it, I'm done with my lip shade. You can see that as of now I'm looking glamorous already after applying this dark red lip shade. Now it's time to do my eyes. I'm gonna keep my eyes simple, and first I'm gonna curl my eyelashes using this eyelash curler. After curling it, only you can see the difference. These eyelashes look way more defined than this one. After curling my eyelashes, I'm gonna apply my mascara, and this is Lash Sensational from Maybelline New York, and I just love this mascara because it instantly gives the definition and that voluminous look that you want. I'm not gonna go with eyeliner or any eyeshadow because I want to keep this look minimal and a way to go ready look in very less time. Now it's time to make my brows. For that I'll be using this L'Oreal Brow Artist Kit and this eyebrow brush. You can also find the separate videos on all of these, like how to apply your mascara, how to apply your lip shade, and how to use your beauty blender on my YouTube videos. So just check it. I'll also leave the link to them in the description box below. So now I'll take this shade, it's a powder shade, and I'll apply it. My eyebrows are not tamed as usual. I'm very lazy to get them done. So there would always be an extra 1-2 hair always lie here and there. But still, after applying this eyebrow powder, I'm able to make my eyebrows look good in the pictures for sure. I have very thin eyebrows and very scanty one. So making my brows do take me some time. And now my eyebrows are done. Now it's time to apply another layer of mascara. As my eyelashes has got dried with the previous layer of mascara coating. So it's totally your choice. If you don't want to make your eyelashes look matte, you can leave with just a one coat. But as this is a party look and it's gonna be night, so it's not gonna be much visible, so more could be less there. Now it's the last thing that I have to do. Any guesses? Yo, it's the time for applying my highlighter, and I'll be using this. This is from MAC. This is shade Soft and Gentle, and I just love what the difference highlighter make once you have applied it on your face. And I'll be using this brush. It's brush number 303. So I'll take it on my brush and I'll tap any extra product and just I'll do it like this so that it becomes a little thin, so that I can apply it on the cheek, on the higher points, this one on my cheekbones. You can see how highlighted it became, and also under my brow area. And I'll make a C with it, like this. This is the perfect trick for applying your highlighter. I'll finish it on my other side. I'm done with applying highlighter on this side. Now I'll apply a little bit of it on the bridge of my nose, just like this. And my cupid bow. And that's it. I'm quite ready for my party. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha. So I guess I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.